The online world is an integral part of children's reality today. We are growing up digitally, with technology embedded in every aspect of our lives. Now the internet is such an important part of life, adults want to keep children safe and provide guidance in the virtual world as well as the real one. Since year 2004, Safer Internet Day, or SID, has been celebrated on the second day of the second week of the second month of the year. SID promotes safer and more responsible use of online technology, now including mobile internet. Safer Internet Day was born in Europe and has grown rapidly, now spreading to 74 countries worldwide, with thousands of people involved in events. Each year the InSafe network chooses a different theme. Previous years have focused on a variety of topics including cyberbullying and social networking. Safer Internet Day activities are often organized around one major central event in each country, accompanied by a press conference. After that, there are loads of smaller initiatives held in each country. We'd like to encourage schools, institutions, companies and partners to celebrate SID and organize their own events and activities. The online world is a unique arena where people of all ages can learn together and from each other, especially regarding online safety. Whether you are 5, 40 or 75 years old, whether you use the internet once a month or several times a day, each person can add something different that can help shape our online experiences and our safety. This year's theme is Connecting Generations, and we invite you to help raise global awareness of online safety issues by organizing or attending an event on Safer Internet Day. Go to our website for links and resources on how to get involved. Join us on 7 February 2012, when the world celebrates Safer Internet Day. Let's discover the digital world together, safely.